In today's video, I'm going to show you how to generate AI text prompts using a tool called Rytr. It's one of the easiest and fastest ways to create high-quality written content for free. So let's get into it.
First, open up your browser and go to rytr.me. Once the site loads, you'll see a button that says Get Rytr. It's free. Just click on that to get started.
If you don't already have an account, you can create one using your email or your Google account. It only takes a few seconds. After logging in, you'll be taken to the dashboard. This is where you can start generating content. Now let's set everything up. I'm choosing English as my language. Then you can choose the tone of the writing. There are many options like casual, convincing, critical, and more. For this video, I'm picking the informative tone. Next, you'll see the Use Case section, where you can choose what kind of content you want Rytr to generate. There are lots of options like blog ideas, brand names, business ideas, calls to action, and much more. I'm going with video description for this example.
Now it's time to tell Rytr what to write. In the input box, I'm typing Top AI Writing Tools for Students 2025. That's my video topic. Below that, you can choose how many outputs you want. I'm selecting 2 variants, so I get 2 different versions of the content. You can also set the creativity level. There are options like none, low, medium, high, and max. I'm going with max to get the most creative results. Once that's done, I just click the Write for Me button.
After a few seconds, the results are generated. You can see here I got 2 paragraphs. One starts like, "Are you a student looking for the best AI writing tools in 2025?" It's actually pretty good and ready to use. I'm not going to read the whole thing out loud. You can see it on the screen now. But yeah, that's how easy it is. It only takes a few clicks. And that's it. That's how you use Rytr to generate AI text prompts in just a few minutes. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more helpful videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.